Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn how to draw brinjal. Okay, from easy to advanced level. Okay, so means the realistic one. Okay, so first you have to draw two line over here, and then from the top just you have to do little bit curve lining. Okay, two curve. Just you have to make that line curve from here, and then little bit curve from here. Then join it like this. Okay, so now from here one line from here and come bring it till here, again draw the shape like this, bring it till here, again draw the shape like this and join it like this. Okay, now what you have to do, from here draw the shape like this. Okay, it's a very easy drawing. Now what you have to do, we will start coloring. So before we start coloring, what should we do? We should make the drawing lighter. I will make the drawing light little bit, means I will remove the extra graphite. Okay, remove the extra graphite, and now I will take the first I will take the blue color, like I will take any blue, any deep blue. Okay, any deep blue you can take, and from here just use the blue color. Why we are doing blue? When blue and green mix na, it become the darkest green, like that, for to make the beautiful shade. Okay, for making the beautiful shades I'm just using this color. Okay, now what I will do, just I will take the deep green. Okay, I will take the deep green, just I will try to blend this portion. Okay, try to blend it, this portion. Over here also I will blend it, over here also I will blend it. Now the leaf green, I will take the leaf green and I will try to blend the deep green. Okay, blending means first we have to do the leaf green on the deep green, then the other side, means white portion, means you have to spread the deep green with the leaf green. Okay, now I'm going to use the light green. Okay, not the yellow green, I'm using the light green color. Light green. And now I'm going to take the dark violet color. Okay, and before that I will use the Persian blue. Okay, I will use the Persian blue shades over here like this. The bottom part I will use the deep Persian blue, and then I will take the dark violet, do in the Persian blue. See, that violet will become more darker. Okay, for that reason I am using the Persian blue. Now got it? Very easy to do it. Here also I will use little bit of Persian blue, the darkest blue I have, which I have, just I will do it over here. Okay, then again I will blend it with the dark violet, dark violet, just doing it over here. And see, after this I'm going to, with the light pressure, with the dark violet only, with the light pressure I will do it over here. Don't do it full. Okay, don't do it full, just with the light pressure, just do this much. Okay, but with the curve way. Now I will take the normal violet, means it's written violet D451, violet. The normal violet, I will blend this part, this portion fully. So it's a little bit lighter than that one, na? Little bit lighter. Here also I will blend it. Now see, after till here we have blend with. Now I will take the light violet. Okay, with the light violet I will blend it, this portion. Very easy, dear. It's a very easy portion. Just now what you have to do now, with the rose, not rose pink, just I will take the fluorescent pink, with the lightly I will do it over here. Okay, with the lightly we'll do it over here, lightly. Okay, very lightly, and then I will, with the light violet, I will blend it full. See, pink will make now light violet it will be more lighter, that's why. See, it's like shiny part now. So your brinjal is ready. So easy na? And if you want, you can give some black border over here, only one side. Over here. Okay, to make it darker. It's very easy and simple drawing. If you like our drawing, please like, subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.